16. Void test 16. Create an abstract class. Okay. Abstract class run which has an abstract method. Abstract public void move. Okay. Create a class demo 10. First always extends. Extends what? Run, extends the class. Then implements. Then this is the syntax. First you cannot do implement, then extend. No. According to Java syntax, first you have to extend, then implement. Yeah. Implements run. Implements sample 16. Implement sample 16. So now demo 10 is agreeing, run, your method also will complete, and demo 10 is agreeing, sample 16, for you also will complete. Yeah. Public void test 16. Println test laptop. Public void move. Move now. Yeah. Now create an object. It's fine. Mistakes are fine. I told you yesterday only. Compare. Learn from your mistakes. Demo 10. Now run. rv.test16, call the method, and rv.move. Save. Ram sir. Yeah. Compare a program and correct your mistakes. Make it quick. Yes. Okay, first I need two interfaces. Okay. Two interfaces kavala. Tarvata single class kavala. Okay. Sample 17. Sample 18. Say both the interface have same method anta. Okay. Walk. Ikkada walk. Okay. Create a single class, demo 11, which will implement both the interface. Okay. Here also implement. Okay. So here it is interface, it is a class. I'll do it. Ping your number, Harish. Ping your number. We'll call you. Main class 8. Save it as main class 8.java. Interface sample 17. Good morning, Anirudh. How is going on? Good. All have come.
There's so many are absent also.
We'll try. We'll check it. We will tell. Today we'll plan it. Yes. Void test 17. Create one more interface, sample 18. 18 also will have same method. Void test 17. Create a class demo 11 implements. Sorry. Walk. Sorry. Okay. Walk. Forgot. Implements sample 17, sample 18. Now demo 11 will tell. Sample 17. You also have same method. Sample 18. You also have same method. Sorry, two times I cannot complete you. One time I'll complete, and it belongs to both of you. I'll complete one time. Since you have same method. Two times I cannot complete. One time I'll complete. It belongs to you also. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is actually an interview question. So in interview question they'll ask, suppose both the interface have same method. How many times will you complete the method? Suppose both the interface have same method. How many times will you complete the method? So what is your answer? Only one time. That is your answer. Perfect. Now create an object. Demo 11 RV is equal to new demo 11. RV.walk. First write the diagram. Multiple inheritance not possible using class. Why it is possible using interface? That we'll discuss later. Don't worry. Done. Now observe. Last part of the interface. Create a class. Main class 9. Save it. Main class 9.java. Interface sample interface sample integer I is equal to 10. You tell me, when you look at this variable, listen, when you look at this variable, which variable is this? Statica, non-statica? Come on. Oh, very very good, sir. It is non-static, sir. Oh, who is that? Appa, Mahanubhava, local variable. Which fellow is telling that local variable? Let ants of I'll stand and salute you. Local variables are created inside method. How can you say this is a local variable? Add that word called as public. Perfect. No, correct. No, sir, it is non-static, sir. Very good. Very good. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, when you look of interface class, oh my God. Please don't call interface as interface class. No, Rajkumar. Interface different, class different, right? How can you say interface class? Interface, ante. Class, ante. Don't club two words. Perfect. Now, others. Yeah, correct. When I look at this variable, 100% looks like non-static. Yeah, but Java says that. Please listen to the sentence. Java says that low developer, yeah. In interface, not in class, in interface, all the variables are by default static. All the variables are by default static. Means one invisible word is added. Sir, why, sir? That later. Yeah, understand topic now. Here we may think like, oh, I created non-static variable. No. Java says in interface, not in class. In class it is non-static only. But in interface, Java says that low developer, any variable మీరు create చేస్తే అది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా స్టాటిక్ అవుతుంది. యా, మీనింగ్ దిస్ వేరియబుల్ looks like, say, there is a saying, don't judge a book. Don't judge a book. Do you remember? Can you continue that? Don't judge a book by its cover. Very good. Alage, don't judge this. But Java says, yes, it looks non-static, but actually it is which variable, appa? Actually it is which variable, appa? Sir, static variable, sir. Very good. Automatically variable becomes static. So that is why system.out.println. Why? I'll tell you later. Yeah, I will access like sample.i. Remember static members in another class. How to access static members in another class? In case of class, use a class name. In case of interface, use a class name. But in case of interface, use a interface name. Very good. Be very careful. Don't get confused there. Correct. Yeah. Now run it. Perfect. Write this program. Here add one comment. By default, variable is static. By default, variable is static. Write like that. Come to instrument, check it out. Okay. Someone is asking, Sai Charan is asking, sir, can we draw class execution diagram for this? Yeah. Guys, shall we do it? As this program, we want execution diagram anta. Yeah. As soon as you run the program, chapandi, help cheyandi others. How many areas are created? 2 areas are created. Yeah. One is called as stack area. Another one is called as heap area. Who will enter first? Like Krishnakant, daily same class timing. Oh, why are every day daily same class now? Class loader, very good. Class loader will load all the static member. Can I say in this program, only one static pool area is created? Can I say in this program, only one static pool area is created? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. For which class? For which class? For which class? Main class. Very good. For main class. Yeah. Static pool area is created for main class. Diagram will not be different. Diagram will be same only. Main class 7. Static pool area. Class loader will exit. Who will enter next? Main method. In the main method, you are creating an object. Println main starts. Create an object. Demo 10 RV is equal to new demo 10. First job of new, create an object. Create an object. Yeah. And now demo 10 will tell. Demo 10, observe. Very important. Demo 10 will tell. Lay JVM. First go to run for loading. Then go to sample 16 for loading. Follow the order. First run class ki vellu. Load the method. Oh, go to run. Load the abstract method. Public void move. Abstract public void move. It is an abstract method. Yeah. Krishnakant, I'll answer your question at the end of the class. Focus on the class. Yeah. Now, low JVM. Now go to sample 16. Load the method. Okay. By default, method is abstract. By default, method is public void test 16. Now come to demo 10, complete the loaded methods, complete 16, complete move. Oh, okay, yeah. Remove abstract keyword, complete the method. Remove abstract keyword, this happens internally automatically. Yeah. Test 16 is completed. Move method is also completed. Object address is stored in a variable RV. Now call both the methods. RV dot move method, RV dot test 16 method. Move method will execute, then test 16 method will execute, then main method will exit. Main method will exit. Next will come garbage collector. Garbage collector will clean the heap area. Garbage collector will clean the heap area. Then garbage collector also will exit. Sai Charan, is it clear? Same. Once you learn the diagram, it's same. You have to follow the steps. Heading interface. Point number 1. Interface is one of the type definition block. First point you write it, there is another topic called as user defined data type. When I cover user defined data type, that time you'll understand this first sentence. Yeah, but this is how you start the answer for interface. Interface is one of the type definition block. Like that you start it. One of the type definition block in Java. When I cover user defined data type, that time I'll tell you that point. Next point. Interface allows only incomplete methods. Point number 3. Point number 3. In interface, all the methods are by default public and abstract. Interface allows only static variable. In interface, all the variables are by default. In interface, all the variables are by default. In interface, all the variables are by default static. Point number 6. Point number 6. Point number 6. Class. Wait. Don't write this one. This one you don't write. Wait. Class interface. In class, static variable, non-static variable, static method, non-static method, which are both are complete method, complete method, abstract method, constructor. These are all the things allowed in the class. These are all the things allowed in the class. In interface, same thing we'll write. Static variable, non-static variable, static method, non-static method, which are complete method, abstract method, constructor. We know. Yeah. Complete method concept only not there. So complete method is not allowed. Whether it is static or non-static, I don't care. Complete method not allowed. That's it. Okay, so this is not allowed. Okay. This is not allowed. Okay, done. So now you tell me. Even if I create non-static variable, is it automatically becoming static variable? Is it automatically becoming static variable? Yes, sir. Means what? Means conclusion what? Non-static variable not allowed. Even if I create, non-static variable, I may think I created non-static variable, but it is getting converted to static. Means what? Non-static variable only not allowed. Oh, okay. Only static variable is allowed. Only abstract method is allowed. Now. I have a question for you. Yeah. Can you tell me, if you remember our, expert level programming. Remember, expert level easy, medium, expert. In expert level programming, how do we initialize non-static variable? In expert level programming, how do we initialize non-static variable? Sir, by using constructor, sir. Yeah. Keep that point in mind and tell me. In interface, constructor allowed or not allowed? Keep that point in mind and tell me. Common sense. Use common sense and tell me. Constructor allowed or not allowed? Hey, super answer, sir. Not allowed, sir. Very good, very good. Why not allowed? Why constructor not allowed? Constructor will tell. Developer, my purpose what? Na purpose enti. Constructor is asking you. Na purpose enti. Now, purpose is to initialize non-static variable. But you tell me, in interface, non-static variable allowed or not allowed? In interface, non-static variable allowed or not allowed? When non-static variable only not allowed, is there any use of constructor? Non-static variable allow ledu. Constructor use unda ledu, sir. Very good. 100% right answer. Yeah. Constructor is not allowed in interface. Constructor is not allowed in interface. Why, sir? Why? Can you tell me what is your answer? This is another interview question. Yeah. Why constructor is not allowed in interface? So what is your answer? Sir, interface does not allow non-static variable. కానీ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ పర్పసే నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ ఇన్షియలైజ్ చేయడానికి. నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబులే లేదంటే కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఏం యూజ్ ఉంది అక్కడ? ఇప్పుడు అవర్ వరల్డ్, అవర్ ఎర్త్ is affected with COVID-19. So we are wearing the mask. Suppose COVID-19 only not there, we will wear mask. COVID-19 only not there, do we wear mask? No. అలాగే ఇంటర్ఫేస్ చెప్తుంది, నలే డెవలపర్ ఇక్కడ నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబులే లేదు, నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబులే అలౌ లేదు. Then how the hell will I allow constructor? అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు? Means in interface only two things are allowed. In interface only two things are allowed. Can you tell me what and what? Can you tell me what and what? Sir, static variable and abstract method. Very good, very good. That is our next point. That is our next point. Yeah. Interface does not allow. Does not allow. Does not allow. Non-static variable, complete method, constructor. Point number 7. Interface allows. Interface allows only two members. Static variable, abstract method. Static variable, abstract method. Can we write main method? How can you write main method in interface? How can main method be incomplete? Not possible, no? No, not possible. Perfect. Point number 8. In order to use interface method, in order to use interface method, it must be completed by the class. In order to use interface method, it must be completed by the class. Point number 9. Class implements interface. Class implements interface. Hey, sorry, I wrote ulta. Here I should write interface, and here I should write class. Perfect. Wait. Yeah, correct. And this is the diagram. Dotted, correct. I got it. And this is pronounced as, how we pronounce this as, we have to pronounce like this. We have to pronounce this as interface. Pronounce as interface only, but never ever pronounce this as subclass. Never pronounce this as subclass, rather, this should be pronounced as implementation class. Always gurtupatkandi. Yeah. It is actually, if it is a class and class, how do you pronounce? Super class and subclass. Terminology is very important. Technical terminologies. Yeah. If it is a class and class, how you pronounce? Super class and subclass. But here, you should not use the word subclass. You should, pronounce as interface implementation class. You have to pronounce as interface implement. Allah pronounce reality. Yeah. This one. Pronounce as interface. This one you pronounce as implementation class. This is your point number 10. Right like that only. Ora. In the last program, there will be 2 static pool areas are correct. No, why? Correct. In the last program, 2 static. Because there is a static variable. 100% right side. Hey, over. Okay. Point number 11. Advantages of use it for abstraction. Use it for abstraction. Point number 4 is not there. Point number 4 is there. Ole in Imaji. Use it for runtime poly. We'll see, that is the future topics. All these are abstraction, runtime, all these are. Point number C. Use it for loose coupling. Point number D. To create a standard method signature to, sure Mahesh, to create standard method signature to all the implementation classes. And one more extra advantage here, to achieve multiple inheritance. Use it for abstraction, use it for runtime polymorphism, use it for loose coupling, use all this. We'll see future topics. Over. Interface. See, Java wanted to give you two things for developers. Yeah. If you want to create complete method, go for class. You want to create both complete, incomplete, go for class. If you want to create only incomplete, go for interface. So Java is giving you two different options. Yeah. Perfect. Now. Observe the most important topic in entire Java now. What we are going to learn. What is that? I'll tell you. Yeah. Say. Sit straight, everyone. Sit straight. Sit straight. Take a deep breath on my count. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Concentrate. Okay. I'll give example. Very most important topic. Focus. I'll create a super class here. I'll repeat this topic. I will repeat like anything. Yeah. Because further topics depends on this topic, I'll tell you. Further, you can say from now, entire Java depends on this topic. That much important topic is this. Super class. Subclass. Super class will have super class properties. But can I say subclass will have superclass properties plus subclass properties. Can I say like this? Now today you have to answer today. Today's topic you can understand only if you keep on answering my question. Understand every question and answer. Yeah. Correct. Whatever I have written, is it correct? Sir, super class will have only super class property, whereas subclass will have both the properties. Super class properties kuda untundi, subclass properties kuda untundi. Correct. Yeah. Now Java says Lord developer, subclass object, please listen. Lord developer, subclass object can be converted to superclass object. So why we say topic, understand topic. Every time you are doing the same mistake. First only you are asking climax. First learn the topic. Java says subclass object can be converted to superclass object. Means you can make a subclass object look like superclass. Subclass object ni superclass object laga project cheyochu, convert cheyochu. Subclass object ni super class object laga convert cheyochu. Ee process ni upcasting antaru. This process is called upcasting. This process is called up. I'll give example. Yeah. Sir, enduku sir? How is that possible? Subclasses like developer. I have నా దగ్గర సూపర్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉంది, అందుకే నేను సూపర్ క్లాస్ లాగా బిహేవ్ చేయొచ్చు. Since I have super class properties, I can look like a super class. Now we are again we are all the best example. Yeah. Why do we look like our parents? Why some of the features of us? It may be eyes or ears, or it may be a face structure, or it may be the way we walk, or it may be the way we do style. Why does it looks like our parents? Because we are parents' DNA. Exactly like that. Subclass చెప్తుంది నేను సూపర్ క్లాస్ లాగా కనపడొచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే నా దగ్గర సూపర్ క్లాస్ DNA ఉంది, నా దగ్గర సూపర్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉంది, నా దగ్గర సూపర్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఉంది, అందుకే నేను సూపర్ క్లాస్ లాగా కనపడొచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ని అప్కాస్టింగ్ అంటారు. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ ని అప్కాస్టింగ్ అంటారు. అర్థమైందా? Very good, very good. Yeah. Now, when you upcast, now Java continuation. When you upcast, subclass says, when I look like a superclass, I will hide my properties. When I look like a superclass, how can I look like a superclass? When I hide my properties, I will look like superclass. Are you understand? Are you able to see it? If I hide subclass property, it has only superclass property, so it can look like superclass. Correct kada? Subclass says, how can you look like him? When I hide subclass properties, I can look like a superclass. Yeah, that is why I am hiding. If I hide only, I can look like superclass. This process is called upcasting. Yeah, done. Wait. Later on. You can convert superclass object. You can convert superclass object back to subclass. You can convert superclass object back to subclass. Yeah. This process is called as downcasting. This process is called downcasting. Yeah. Now when a downcast, whatever subclass properties were hidden, that will become visible. For example, yeah. Have you all seen aeroplane? Yes or no? Okay, yeah. Now let us compare, let us understand with respect to Java. Aeroplanes, lot of aeroplanes are there here. Yeah, aeroplane. Yeah. Tell me one thing. Tell me properly one. Let us consider like this, okay? Yeah, something like this. I will consider ground. I will consider ground as, ground means land, runway, yes. Subclass. I will consider Sky. Sky as superclass. Okay. Can I call aeroplane as an object? Can I call aeroplane as an object? Already I told you, objects are real entities. Objects are real entities and they exist in our world. Okay. I'll consider aeroplane as an object. For an aeroplane to move on ground, does it require wheels? For aeroplane to move on ground, does it require wheels? But to move on sky, what is required? But to move on sky, what is required? Wings are required. To move on sky, what is required? Wings are required. Very good, very good, very good. Wheels as subclass property. Can I call wheels as subclass? If you look at the images here. When you look at the images here, yes, appa, wheels are required. Oh, wheels are required on ground. 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 Plus wings are also there. Wings are also there. Okay. I will call. You have to help me. I told you already. Can I call wheels as subclass property? Subclass property. Yes. But wings are required for sky. Can I say wings are superclass properties? Perfect. Yeah. Now. Aeroplane is taking off. Aeroplane is taking off. It is taking off. And have you observed in movies and all, have you observed? When it takes off, the wheels will get hidden. After taking off, wheels will get hidden. Oh, yes, sir. Wheels are hidden, sir. Yes, sir. That is what I told Ale. Take off. Taking off. Can I say like upcasting? Taking off is like upcasting. Perfect. Yeah. When the same object when it takes off. Aeroplane. Wings are present. Wheels are also present. Wings kuda undi, wheels kuda undi. But wheels are hidden. And what is visible? Wings are visible. Speak in Java. Now here. Aeroplane object taking off. ఏరోప్లేన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ అంటే అప్ కాస్టింగ్ అవుతుంది. ఏరోప్లేన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టేక్ ఆఫ్ అంటే అప్ కాస్టింగ్ అవుతుంది. అప్ కాస్టింగ్ అవుతే సార్ సబ్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ హిడన్, వీల్స్ ఆర్ హిడన్, wheels are hidden, wings are visible. అర్థమైందా ఇప్పుడు? అప్ కాస్టింగ్ అయితే జావాలో ఏమవుతుంది అర్థమైందా? పర్ఫెక్ట్ యా. టెల్ మీ, టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ దేరా, వన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ? ఇప్పుడు టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయా, ఒకటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్నాయా? Sir, only one object, sir. Oh, obviously only one object, sir. Yeah. Two aeroplanes are there. In ground ఒకటి aeroplane, in sky ఒకటి aeroplane ఉందా? లే, same aeroplane. What do you say ground in Telugu? Sky in Telugu. Ground and sky in Telugu. భూమి. భూమి. నెల. సేమ్ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ కన్నడ. నెల, భూమి, ఆకాశం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏరోప్లేన్ నెలలో ఉంది, భూమిలో ఉంది. ఆ ఏరోప్లేన్ టేక్ ఆఫ్ అంటే అది అప్ కాస్టింగ్ చెప్తాను. యా, టేక్ ఆఫ్ అంటే ఆకాశంలో వింగ్స్ విజిబుల్ ఉంది, వీల్స్ హిడన్ గా ఉంది. సూపర్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ విజిబుల్ గా ఉంది, సబ్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆర్ హిడన్. అర్థమైందా? Now, aeroplane wants to land. When aeroplane is landing, will it crash and land? No, sir. Can I say, when the aeroplane is landing, hidden wheels కనపడుతుంది, hidden wheels visible అవుతుంది. Can I say like that? Hey, someone is telling, sir, when it is landing, wings will close, wheels will open. Use common sense. Please use imagination. When aeroplane is landing, wings will close, wheels will open. Wings are always visible. If you observe, wings are always visible. Whether you are on ground, wings are visible. Whether you are in bhumi, wings are visible. Whether aeroplane is in akasham, wings are visible. Wings are always visible. భూమిలో కూడా విజిబుల్ గా ఉంది, వానంలో కూడా విజిబుల్ గా ఉంది. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ హిడెన్, వాట్ ఈస్ షోన్? భూమిలో వీల్స్ కనపడుతుంది, ఆకాశంలో వీల్స్ హిడన్. ఇన్ తెలుగు హిడన్ అంటే, తెలుగులో హిడన్ అంటే కనిపించవు, కనపడదు. కనపడదు. వీల్స్ ఆకాశంలో కనపడదు. Perfect. Yeah, done. Now can I say landing is like downcasting? Can I say landing is like downcasting? Yes, sir. Same aeroplane will land. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ ఏరోప్లేన్ ల్యాండ్ అవుతుంది. Same aeroplane landing. When same aeroplane is landing, I will call this landing as downcasting. Perfect. Yeah. So landing లో వింగ్స్ ఎప్పుడు కనపడుతుంది. సో వెదర్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ సబ్ క్లాస్, వింగ్స్ ఉంది. వెదర్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్ సూపర్ క్లాస్, వింగ్స్ ఉంది. యా, అప్ కాస్టింగ్ అండ్ డౌన్ కాస్టింగ్ plays a major role for subclass properties. Upcasting and downcasting, subclass properties ki major role is playing a major role ikkada. Yeah. So can I say during downcasting, hidden subclass properties becomes visible. Hidden subclass properties becomes visible. Can I say like that? అర్థమైందా? Two types casting. Casting ante converting. Casting ante conversion. Casting ante conversion. Casting ante conversion. Upcasting, converting subclass object to superclass object. Downcasting, converting superclass object to subclass object. కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైందా? ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎలా రాయాలి చెప్తాను, బట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు అర్థమైందా? సూపర్. కెన్ ఐ సే ఆల్ అవర్ సూపర్ మూవీస్, have you heard superhero movies? Best example for upcasting downcasting is superhero movies. Yeah, Iron Man. Yeah. Now when he's leading a normal life, Iron Man, Robert Jr. Johnny. Look here. He's a normal person. Look here, no suit to get everything, but he's an Iron Man. But when the villain will come, everything, will he hide his identity? By wearing the mask? Can I start casting? Upcasting, yeah. After fighting villain, everything, will he come back to Robert Johnny? Will he come back as Robert Johnny? Downcasting, yeah. Spider-Man, all man, Spider-Man, Superman. In India, superheroes are Krish, Shaktiman. Now. In the normal life, yeah. So the moment any villain will come, they'll wear the mask. And hide their identity. Upcasting, fight the villain. After villain is fought, again they'll remove the mask. Again they become themselves. Arthamainda upcasting, downcasting. Can you explain? I want you to explain this in your own words. Can you explain in your own words? Heading is object casting. Pass, explain cheyandi. Heading object casting. CASTING. Object casting. Two types are there: upcasting, downcasting. Zoop. Explain with example. Take aeroplane. Aeroplane is the best example to understand this. Take off ante upcasting. Wheels are hidden. Subclass properties are hidden. When you land ante downcasting. Hidden wheels becomes visible. Hidden subclass properties becomes visible. త్వరగా రాయండి, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. Create one new folder. Object casting programs. Same example we'll take. Create last year. Main class 1, save it. Main class 1 dot Java. Class demo. Class demo. Public void wings. We'll take that wings and wheels example, very easy to understand. Println. Use wings. Class sample. Extends demo. Public void wheels. Println. Use wheels. Okay. Now I have a superclass, now I have a subclass, and I want to perform upcasting. I want to perform upcasting. Understand the syntax? Syntax, very easy syntax. Very easy means dead easy syntax. Yeah. So, subclass. Okay. Now, upcasting. Subclass object should look like superclass. Okay. First of all, you tell me in this program, who is subclass, who is superclass? Answer, answer, answer. Who is subclass, who is superclass? Who is subclass, who is superclass? Sir, demo is superclass, sir, and sample is subclass, sir. Yeah. Who should look like who? Yavaru yalaga kanapadali. Yavaru elaga kanapadali. Sample should look like demo. Very good, like. Sample should look like demo. Awesome. Yeah. So create a subclass object. I'll repeat n number of times until it gets into your head. Yeah. First step, create subclass object. Yeah. New. Sample. New sample. First job, slowly, steadily. First job of new. Create an object. Create an object. Which object? Subclass object. Subclass object. Second job of new operator. Second job of new operator. Load all the non-static members. Load all the non-static members. Load all the non-static members. Yeah. Now Java says, lay. First go load superclass members. First load superclass, then load subclass. Okay, load wings. Load wings. Then load wheels. Okay. So here load wings, load wheels. Subclass object should look like superclass. How do I tell JVM? Lay JVM. Please make it look like a superclass. Yeah. In the bracket, you have to mention demo. In the bracket, you have to mention demo. In the bracket, mention demo. Now my JVM will understand meaning of this line. JVM will understand sample object should look like demo. Subclass object should look like superclass. This is upcasting. This is upcasting. Subclass object convert to superclass. Subclass object convert to superclass. Means what will happen? Same object is upcasted. Same object is upcasted. Wings are present. Wheels are present. But when it's converted to superclass, subclass properties are hidden. Wheels are hidden. Wheels are hidden. Wheels are hidden. Since wheels are hidden, object will look like superclass object. Object will look like superclass object. Object will look like superclass object. Now store the address. Store the address. This is very important. Store the address in a reference variable of superclass. You have to store the address in reference variable of superclass. Hey, why appa? Because object is not looking like sample. Object looks like demo. Object does not looks like subclass. Object looks like superclass. So store the address in reference variable of superclass. Store the address in reference variable of superclass. Yeah, I'll repeat. So again I'll ask you. Upcasting means subclass object should look like superclass object. Subclass object converted to superclass object. Subclass object slowly, nidananga, opikalaga understand cheyandi. Yeah. Subclass object, superclass object laga kanapadali. So first, subclass object ni create cheyandi. First subclass object ni create చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీకు క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి, ఏది సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఏది సబ్ క్లాస్. ఆ క్లారిటీ ఉంటే ఈ టాపిక్ ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. యా, ఏది సూపర్ క్లాస్, సబ్ క్లాస్ ఏది? న్యూ sample. Create an object of subclass. Create an object of subclass. Create an object of subclass. Okay. Create an object of subclass. Create an object of subclass. Load all the non-static members. Load wings. Subclass property. This object should look like superclass. How do I tell JVM? ఎలా చెప్పాలి JVM కి? బ్రాకెట్ లో చెప్పండి. Like JVM, convert that subclass object to superclass. Convert sample object to demo object. Convert sample object to demo object. Sample object should look like demo object. Sample object should look like demo object. Oh, that is upcasting. Yeah. So same object. Where object కాదు, same object. Upcasting చేస్తే, సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అప్కాస్టింగ్ చేస్తే వింగ్స్ ఉంది, వీల్స్ కూడా ఉంది. బట్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ అప్కాస్టింగ్ wheels will get hidden and hence object looks like superclass object. Since object looks like superclass, store the address in. Store the address in. Superclass reference variable. Now access d1 dot wings. d1 dot wings. This line ఈ లైన్ ని upcasting. ఇదే upcasting syntax. We'll see multiple examples also. Now I want to do downcasting. Now I want to do downcasting. Now I want to do downcasting. Yeah. Downcasting. Downcasting. Oh, super class object should look like subclass. Okay. Super class object should look like subclass. Yeah. Ipudu tell me, where is super class object address stored? Where is this object address stored? Where is this object address stored? Come on, address stored. I know objects are created in heap area only. I am asking, where is the address stored? Sir, D1 sir, reference variable D1 sir. Now I will do downcasting. Now I will do downcasting. Observe. Now observe. Lay JVM, Raikada, come here. Lay JVM, come here. D1. If you go to D1 address ki velte super class object ఉంటుంది. కరెక్టా? D1 address ki velte super class object ఉంటుంది. కరెక్టా? D1 అడ్రస్ వెళ్తే సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. లే లో జేవియం D1 కి వెళ్తే సూపర్ క్లాస్, ఈ అడ్రస్ వెళ్తే సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. ఆ సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని సబ్ క్లాస్ కి, దట్ ఈస్ శాంపుల్, సబ్ క్లాస్ కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయి. బ్యాక్ టు సబ్ క్లాస్. ప్లీజ్ కన్వర్ట్ బ్యాక్ టు సబ్ క్లాస్. And common sense. Use your common sense and you tell me. Only if an aeroplane takes off, only that aeroplane can land. Only if an aeroplane takes off, only that aeroplane can land. ఏది ఏరోప్లేన్ టేక్ ఆఫ్ అవుతుందో అదే ఏరోప్లేన్ ల్యాండ్ అవ్వాలి. కరెక్టా? క్యాన్ యూ క్రియేట్ అన్ ఏరోప్లేన్ ఇన్ స్కై అండ్ ల్యాండ్? ఆకాశంలోనే ఒక ఏరోప్లేన్ తయారు చేసి ల్యాండ్ చేస్తారా? ఆకాశంలోనే ఒక ఏరోప్లేన్ తయారు చేసి ల్యాండ్ చేస్తారా మీరు? లేదు కదా. యా, ఏరోప్లేన్ భూమిలో ఉంది, అదే ఏరోప్లేన్ ఆకాశంకి వెళ్తుంది, అదే ఏరోప్లేన్ మళ్ళీ భూమికి వస్తుంది. మీన్స్ వాట్? ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ అప్కాస్టింగ్ యూ కెన్ డూ డౌన్కాస్టింగ్. అప్కాస్టింగ్ తర్వాతనే డౌన్కాస్టింగ్ చేయాలి. లే, ఈ పాయింట్ అర్థమైందా? ఓన్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ అప్కాస్టింగే డౌన్కాస్టింగ్ చేయాలి. Perfect. That is why after upcasting I'm doing downcasting here. Yeah. Go to D1. If you go to D1, you will find one super class. If you go to D1 address కి వెళ్తే ఒక సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కనపడుతుంది. ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని మళ్ళీ సబ్ క్లాస్ కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయి. యా, మళ్ళీ సబ్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ మీన్స్ సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ is converted back to subclass. When you convert back to subclass, hidden property becomes visible. Back to subclass object. Since it is back to subclass object, store the address in reference variable of subclass. Store the address in reference variable of subclass. This line is ఈ లైన్ ని డౌన్ కాస్టింగ్ అంటారు. ఈ లైన్ ని డౌన్ కాస్టింగ్ అంటారు. నౌ యు కాల్ S1 dot wings కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు, వీల్స్ కూడా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? సింటాక్స్ అర్థమైందా? ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అర్థమైందా? ఎలా అప్కాస్టింగ్ చేయాలి? ఎలా? We'll see one more example also. Perfect. Very good, right? Very good. Yeah. Today I'm telling you, today's class, you have to sit and revise. Then only this topic. And again, and I'm stressing this topic. This topic, if you understand, all other topics can be easily understood. Write the program. You want me to repeat downcasting line again? Okay. No problem. My pleasure to repeat. Yeah, tell me. I'll repeat again. Telugulo repeat, sir. Ayyo. My Telugu, your understanding, God only should help me. Okay. Lo, JVM. Raikada. Go to D1 address ki vellu. D1 address ki velte నీకు ఒక సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ దొరుకుతుంది. ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని సబ్ క్లాస్ కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయి. ఓ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని go to D1 address. Go to D1 address. This is the address. Go to D1 address. ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని సబ్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లాగా convert చేయి. Okay. Now when you do downcasting, yeah, hidden properties, ఏ ప్రాపర్టీస్ కనపడలేదో ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ మళ్ళీ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సబ్ క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏది హిడెన్ అయిందో ఆ ప్రాపర్టీస్ మళ్ళీ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. సబ్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. Yeah. Now this object, since this looks like subclass, yeah, store the address in subclass reference variable. Yeah, ఈ లైన్ ని downcasting అంటారు. ఈ లైన్ ని downcasting అంటారు. After downcasting, call s1 dot wings something like that. Not exactly, something like that, Karthik. Yeah. Okay, from here to here. Upcasting. Perfect. From here to here. Downcasting. Write the program. Why we'll see. First write this program. You have to practice. The more you practice, the more you get grip. Practice. How you have to practice means tak, you should type. Such a level of practicing is required. Make it fast. Property can't we call? You call, you will get error, Sandhya. What is the reason why it is hiding? Because you should not call. That is why it is getting hiding. Output also. Fast, make it quick. Make it fast. Form. Upcasting and downcasting. You know what is inheritance. You know what is hierarchical inheritance. Now you know how to do upcasting. Now you know how to do upcasting, and now you know how to do downcasting. Each and everything you know. Fast. Give me the program. Fast. 5 minutes time. Make it quick. Main class to class. Yeah. Public void, move. Public void, move. System.out.println. Move north. Hierarchical ante any super classes. How many super class? Hierarchical, how many super class? One super class. Minimum how many subclass? Minimum, maximum you can have n number I know. Minimum how many subclass? 2 subclass, sir. Public void. Run. Public void. Run. Println. Run like cheetah. Class C. Extend C. Public void. Jog. Println. Jog like tiger. Okay. Yeah. Now upcasting. Upcast. You tell me yes or no. B to A. Correct? B to A. Correct? Hey, correct and ra. Yes. Upcasting. C to A. C to A also. Yes, yeah. First we'll do B to A. B object should look like A object. B object should look like A object. Okay. Create a subclass object. Go. Until it becomes an habit for you, write in reverse order. Until it becomes an habit for you, write in reverse order. New B, subclass object. Convert to superclass A. Store it in AA1. Store it in AA1. Yeah. First job of new. First job of new, create an object. Second job of new, load all the non-static. Go to superclass and load, move. Come to subclass and load, run. Run. Subclass object. Subclass object, that is B object, should look like A object. B object look like A. How can B object look like A? Hide, run. Hide subclass property. Show superclass property. Address stored in A1. Address stored in A1. Again I am repeating that. A1 dot move. Now do downcasting. Go to A1. Lay, JVM. No, nee majji, JVM. Rara ikkada. A1 ki velra. A1 ki vellu A1 ki. Okay, go to A1. A1 address velte oka super class object దొరుకుతుంది. ఒక సూపర్ క్లాస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ దొరికిందా అది సబ్ క్లాస్ కి కన్వర్ట్ చేయి. సబ్ క్లాస్ కా ఓకే, బ్యాక్ టు బి store, back to be, store it in. Since it looks like subclass, store the object in subclass reference variable. Store the object in subclass reference variable. Yeah. Now again, A object should look like B object. Yella. Show the subclass whatever properties are hidden, make it visible. Whatever properties are hidden, make it visible. B1 dot, and after that store the address in B1. Store the address in B1. B1 dot move. B1 dot run. One upcasting, downcasting. Now again, upcasting, downcasting. Now again, upcasting, downcasting. Yeah, upcasting, downcasting again ante C to A. New C subclass object. New C subclass object. First job of new. Slowly, nidananga, create an object. Load all the non-static members. Anni non-static members ni load chahi. First superclass members ni load chahi. Move. Tarvata subclass members ni load chahi. Jog. Object looks like C object. Object looks like C object. E C object ni A object laga convert chayi. A object ela cheyali, bracket lo mention chayi. Convert to A. After converting, object looks like A. So store it in A1. A1 is already there, so I'll go A2. Store it in 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 A2. Means C object will look like A object. Yella, hide the subclass property, show only superclass property. Hide the subclass property, show only the superclass property. Show only the superclass property. So you can access only A2 dot move. Now do downcasting. Go to same object. A2. Go to same object A2. Convert back to subclass C. Convert back to subclass. Convert back to subclass. How do I convert back to subclass? Whatever properties are hidden, make it visible. Make it visible. Make it visible. Object looks like subclass. So store it in CC1. Store it in CC1. Now call C1 dot move chain. C1 dot jog chain. Save the program. Save the program. Main class 2. Compare your program. Compare your program. It's fine. Mistakes are fine. Compare. Tell me, Tarun. Variables should be printed. Create variable. Subclass variables are hidden. Superclass variables are visible. In case of variables, printed. That's all. Today's class, you have to sit and practice. Can you sit and practice today's class? Can you sit and practice today's class? Okay guys, we'll catch up tomorrow. Tata, bye bye.